Mirchi Hot Shot. Only on 98.3 Mirchi. It's hot.
Today I have two very hot shots on the show, and I'm extremely happy and excited. I owe them a lot of my childhood, teenage, and a lot of my existence because जब मैं भूखी रही हूँ, tips Frankie मेरे काम आए हैं और सिर्फ भूख नहीं मिटाई उन्होंने. They have developed my taste buds. So a very good day to the Tip brothers. कैसे हैं आप जसमीत सर and हरमीत सर?
बहुत बढ़िया. Thank you so much for having us on air.
Yeah, also आप बताइए मुझे कि हम सारी चीजें और बाकी सारी बातों का एक सागा शुरू करें उससे पहले I want to know शुरुआत कैसे हुई? When did we start this? And what was that one moment जब आपने सोचा I think this is a brilliant idea, it's going to work?
Actually हमने नहीं सोचा. हमारे late father श्री अमरजीत सिंह ने उन्होंने सोचा. He was on his way back from London and he stopped at Beirut. There he saw her rap preparation and he felt that would do well in हमारे country में. So जब वो यहाँ पहुँचे, he was a foodie. Typical Punjabis जो foodie होते हैं, तो उन्होंने एक साल सोचा. Then मेरी late mother श्रीमती सुरेंद्र कौर टिप को बोला कि भैया कुछ बनाते हैं. So they developed this, they sort of ingeniously developed this recipe. और फिर उसको रोल किया, बनाया. फिर उसके बाद उसको नाम क्या दें. So पहले वो विहार लेक में गाड़ी के पीछे से बेचते थे. तो फैन फॉलोइंग बढ़ती गई. फिर बोला नाम क्या दें. तो उन्होंने बोला कि एक ब्रेबॉर्न स्टेडियम में मैच हो रहा था इंडिया वेस्ट इंडीज का 1970. तो वहाँ सर फ्रैंक वॉरेन ने अच्छा शॉट मारा. तो किसी ने बोला व्हाट अ शॉट फ्रैंकी. दैट ने तब वहाँ सुन लिया. So that's the way Frankie, and that said yes चीज इस नाम से बहुत पॉपुलर हो सकती है. And ironically उसी मैच में we were serving Frankies and every day it was selling out. So that's how in 1971 the name came out to be Frankie and it's there since.
मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहती हूँ कि पैंडेमिक आया हमारे जीवन में, किसी ने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था, and काफी चीजें बदली. Now I want to know how did things impact for the Tips Frankie situation? कैसे क्या फर्क पड़ा, क्या हुआ, customers कम हुए, ज़्यादा हुए? How did it work out for you?
So Prerna, very honestly, I think the pandemic has not really, I would say, left anyone untouched, right? I think everybody's been impacted by the pandemic. Some people at a personal level, people at a professional level, right? So even on the business front, if you ask me honestly, I think when the pandemic first wave came, right, I think business all had to be shut down, right? As you know, everything was in lockdown. But I think the good part is, around about June of last year, we started reopening, right? And with a lot of trepidation because, consumers are very scared. Khana bahar se nahi khana hai, right? Matlab sanitized hai, nahi hai. People are not sure whether coronavirus is transmitted through surface, through food, right? So I think, but the good part was that, we had a lot of faith in our food. We also knew that people really loved us, trusted us. So imagine in June of 2020, we actually recommenced our business. Not many people are aware of it. And it's been almost now close to around about 15-16 months non-stop. Our business has been flourishing. In fact, our business it is actually higher than what was there the pre-pandemic level.
Yeah.
Right? And I think that's what, what we really found out was that this pandemic, a lot of people said, I'm only going to go for the trusted brands. And I think it's Babaji's meher and, the hard work done by the parents and the hard work being put in by us. There are a lot of Mumbaikars trust us. And that's the reason, even during the pandemic, we have many people coming and ordering from us in our stores, ordering online. Right? So we were a brand which actually used to, only serve Frankies in store. And I'm sure aapne bhi jab bhi khaya store mein jaake khaya hai, right?
Amazing. Yeah.
But, ek naya behavior aa gaya hai where people are ordering online. So, now Tips Frankie, we are available on Zomato, Swiggy, and we've really been amazed with the amount of love and trust that people are showing in us. So our business is actually higher than what it was pre-pandemic. Right? And that's the reflection of the trust that people have in our brand.
As far as hygiene is concerned, आप कौन से steps, क्या procedure follow करते हैं Tips Frankie में in order to ensure कि हमारे तक एक safe, food item पहुंच पा रही है?
देखिए, let me give you a little brief about me as a person and my training is I'm from IHM Mumbai, Dadar. So I'm a chef myself. So most of the recipes are coined by me and then approved by Harpreet, and then we launch them. So as a chef, you follow the basic protocols. I'll go from the back end is that from the time we receive our raw materials till the time you have a Frankie and you feel so satiated with it, there's a lot of processes. There's a lot of food handling procedures which we follow. There are a lot of food safety procedures which we follow. There is the regular features which are COVID prescribed right now, with masking, sanitation, everything is followed. Then the food is sent to the stores. At the stores, if you visit any of our stores, you'll see the level of hygiene there. The sanitizers and whatever the works needed for COVID is all being followed in the last T. In fact, we are so particular about the temperature of the food being served that, earlier from the time, I think if you're having it like a child, you must be knowing that earlier there was a different look of the tips outlets. Now there's a totally different look. The kind of infrastructure we have invested into, the kind of research we are going into, the kind of food technology we are trying to implement, and whatever we've implemented so far is incredible for me as well to learn, because I was used to the typical tips Frankie, Bhaiya, le liya and bana ke de diya. But now I'm very proud to say that watch out all the change. That's all I can tell you.
Either way, I have one last quick question. कभी जब आपके दोस्त, रिश्तेदार, when there's like a get together, etc., they come and they ask you, Jasmeet or Harpreet, बताओ ये actually मसाले में जाता क्या है? Secret, बता दो. क्या have you ever been close to letting them know, or basically just like spilling the beans as to what exactly, or is it a very, very, very secret sort of recipe?
मेरी हुई है love marriage. ठीक है?
जी.
She married me. When I proposed to her, she said, "You tell me the recipe of Frankie masala." I said, "Yes." Now we're married 25 years. She still asks me. So the other day, I told her the recipe of the Frankie masala. I said, 50% माँ का प्यार. Okay, 25%, 5% पिताजी की creativity और 25% हम दोनों भाइयों का hard work. आगे आपका Frankie masala.
एक आखिरी मैसेज जो आप हमारे सारे मुंबईकर्स को देना चाहेंगे, what would that message be from the Tibbs Frankie के जो the people who are actually running it now, running the show, what would you like to tell them?
I think we have this very popular slogan that it's been used for the last 52 years. Very simple, right? I love Tibbs Frankie, so will you, right? So we're waiting with open arms to receive each one of you. Incidentally, the Budhwar Ka Chaska is coming up on 29th September, Prerna. Yeah. So, we look forward to you and your team and all your followers and fans to actually visiting our stores and, telling us that they really love Tibbs Frankie and expressing the love for us.
My last words for everybody's first is gratitude with folded hands. I mean, I just want to thank each and every one of every member of the family who has eaten Tibbs Frankies over the last 15 years. I can't just be, I don't know what to say to the Almighty, that all I can say is that the entire Tibbs family with folded hand always is in gratitude to every person who saves money to have a Tibbs Frankie, or who has Tibbs Frankie, or who feels that आज मेरी Tibbs Frankie में मुझे ऐसा खाना है, मुझे वैसा खाना है, बड़ा that प्यार ना. Please maintain that love for us. We are going to work very hard to make sure that आपको वैसे ही प्यार से हम खिलाएं, और आगे जाके भी आपकी Tibbs Frankie आपके पैलेट से पहले आपके दिल को छुए. I want people to get connected with us with their heart. I always say दिल से दिल का connection is Tibbs Frankie.
Beautiful. आप दोनों को नजर ना लगे, ढेर सारा प्यार, सुखी रहो. Thank you very much for everything. You take care, guys. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Prerna. Very nice chatting with you.
Very nice. Thank you.
You take care.
Bye.
Thank you.
Mirchi Hot Shot. Mirchi Hot Shot. Only on 98.3 Mirchi. It's hot.